Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with a purchase share. It's a purchase from Mindless Crafting, and I slid the tape open. It came very neatly packaged. I have the addresses covered, and her sticker, see, Mindless Crafting. And what's in the box, and trust me, I'll be reusing this box, is some paper pads and a set of stamps that I bought. And this is one of her sets of stamps, and she designs her own stamps, and it is power statements. See? Oops. Okay. And it has be bold, can't give up, don't give up, use your gifts, keep going, proud of you, and so on. And you can see here that that's all the sentiments. They explain how to get them off of the cling sheet. And then I have, let me move the box out. Okay, so I have this Eco Park little paper pad here. Okay, and I just opened it, so let's see. You're gonna be just as surprised as I am to see all of these. Oh, here's some cutter parts, and it is double-sided. Here's the wood panel. Oh, I think it's only one of each. Oh, this would go good for a chef's card. Here's some, I guess it's gingham, some sort of paper. Here's some more cutter parts. Oh, look, the floral watering buckets. Here's some chickens. This is a farmhouse paper pad, as y'all can tell.
According to
Sorry about that. And here is the next page. They're all double-sided. Oh, look. Oh dear. Well. And then we have this. I don't know what just happened there. Here's some more cutter parts. We have these two pages. And I think it repeats throughout the book with different... Why is it doing that? And we have this one. And I think it in the back it repeats. Yes, it does. It repeats the pages. Which I think this is a cute little book. I will link her shop down below this video. And here is the Doris book, that paper pad that I purchased. And all these, what you see on the front cover, is on the inside. And this is Blanc de Papier. It's French. Let me see if I can peel it without ripping the paper off. And this side is also stuck. Okay, you got that? So now we're gonna take a look inside. Oh, some cutter parts. And it's all foil. See the foil? I think if I'm not mistaken, I seen her use this in a single-sided, in in uh, what they call it, in a video, a live class that she gave, and each page has two of each. Here's a floral. Oh, definitely, I've seen her use this in her um, class, her live class. There we go. I remember the birdhouse, the bird cage. Here's a page full of bird cages. Look at this, how pretty. And there's two pages of that one. Then you have your paisley. Then you have teacups. And these are pretty thick cardstock. Here's roses. Oh, this one's pretty too. I have the butterfly over here. And then the roses there. I know what to do with that. And then here's, I don't know what they call this pattern, but okay. And we got this one with the slanted lines. It looks like candy cane. Teacups. A page full of butterflies. Or two pages full of butterflies. Another polka dotted page. Another page of bird cages. And I think it repeats through the rest of the book. No, oh, no it don't. Here's a page of flowers. Another paisley. Oh look, this is the borders. You get two pages of that. Look at this one, and it's got the foil in it. See that? Then we have the stripes. We have this one again. I don't really know what this pattern is called. Here we go with the butterflies again. Here's a floral, and I think this is the last page. And the other book that I got is the same thing. I bought two of this book. So, I will link her shop down below. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And be kind, be loving, be careful, and also just be careful and stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, Miss Tracy and Mr. Bill, thank you very much for my purchase. I love it. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.